Good afternoon. We're gonna go out now to drop some stuff off at my mum's workplace. Oh, it's really sunny, but it is not hot at all. It looks sunny, but it's like so cold. So we're gonna drop some stuff off at my mum's place.
The postcode to show off extra.
Right, guys, we're gonna go now, so I'll catch you guys later.
It's like an accident, me a drive and can't see them. Nobody need for ask for them, dogs and out paparazzi for them. Oh, the show sold out, now my gone pan tour now. Champagne me a pour out, girls act like porno. Real top dogs, top banger. Big fat crib, I'm a too fat girl in my car. Top banger, some little juvenile bow flash every day white squall. Top banger, make my girl fucking girl look how easy she do it in my bar. Banger, real top dog, real top dog. Dansweev rich kids call me the president. We count bricks, pound bricks, them just a count pence.
So guys, we're here now, so we're just waiting for mum to come and collect the food. What did we cook? What did you cook? Soup. Is it red
pea soup with pigtail.
Yeah, red pea soup. So yeah, we're just waiting for it to come. Outside look nice, green, but it's not. It's about 8 degrees. It's not that bad, isn't it?
Cold,
I think it's cold, but I think from 10 degrees up, it's alright. It's not warm, but it's alright.
And turn your face to it, so that's when you can understand. Show you the food.
Oh, so guys, we'll just get back home and we're having soup for dinner. So we're having red pea soup. I'll show you what that looks like. That's a red pea soup with pig's tail. But I don't eat red pea soup. So me and my sister having this soup, which is yellow soup. Or is it pumpkin soup? A yellow soup or pumpkin soup?
Anyone I know.
Yellow soup and pig's tail soup. So that's what we're having for din. And then I microwave some. I'm not having none yet because I'm not feeling too hungry. So I'm gonna have a glass of water. I need a new tripod because I don't want to break. You warming up your soup? I'm not even hungry, but I might just have a little bit. Is chicken in our soup, Donna? Is chicken in our soup?
What?
Chicken.
No,
I'm asking if chicken in there.
what kind of chicken?
Like chicken.
It's something the soup. Chicken. Beef in that soup.
In my soup.
Beef in that soup that you have for your Christian.
I might as well just have my soup now, but I'm only gonna have a little bit and then later on I'll take out the rest of my soup.
I'm gonna put the line.
Noodle. Does that make sense?
Do the top spoil of the soup. And next time you cook it yourself. I don't know what kind of noodle in that soup. Which part you get that?
You know what? When I finish, you just call me because. No, when you finish because there's no space. So I'm just chilling. Oh my gosh, my hair needs doing, guys, but it's not that I can't do my hair. I'm just waiting for the perfect time to do it because I've got a special occasion coming up. So I'm gonna do my hair then. I don't want to do it and then it goes stale, and then when the special occasion comes it's a little bit stale. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for that, guys. I'm at the car wash now. The queue look big, like big, so I'm probably gonna be here for a while. So yeah, I'm just waiting right now to get my car washed. So yeah, actually the queue don't look that big, you know, but it's a good little wait. So yeah, let me just show you what it looks like. It's the first time I'm coming to this car wash because the one that I usually go to, they shut down, so I'm just trying out a new one. So that's how it looks like. There's a next one like across the road, like a couple seconds across from here. It look really busy, but because it's on the other side, I find it easier to just turn on the side that I'm driving. And there's this car that was so close behind me, so I didn't want to like just slow down and stuff. But yeah, my car's super dirty. Like, this is how dirty it is. And that's all makeup. I was doing my makeup, and the makeup dash, you know, throw away. So car's really dirty. It's not too bad, it's just more like the grown and the makeup bit. But yeah, they started now, so they're starting to wash it now. So when this finished, I will show you what the car looks like. You know, I'll show you how nice it looks when it's clean. There's a little smash on the side because I had a little accident and I'm still waiting to get my car fixed. But so hopefully they wash it nice and stuff, because, you know, and if they do, I'll probably keep coming back here, although it's a little bit far from my house. But they started now, so I'm gonna come back to you guys soon. There he is. But yeah, so I'm still at the car wash. They washed it outside already, so I think they're gonna do the inside soon now. And just look at the amount of stuff I have in my car. I probably should have emptied my car first before I come here, but you know, things happen. But I really need to stop storing shoes in my car. So what will happen, I'll go out on a night out, and obviously I can't drive in like heels and stuff, and I'll go out and take off my shoes, put on, this was my driving shoes, because I couldn't drive in any shoes. I have to drive in a certain type of shoes, but I can drive in different shoes now, because right now I'm driving in my Converse shoes. But so I would go out and then take off my heels, you know, when I'm coming home I'll take off my heels, drive in my driving shoes, come out of the car, forget to take my heels off, forget to take my heels out with me, and I'll leave it till the next day or whatever, and or I'll forget to take it out. This is my work shoes, so you know, I have loads of work shoes, so sometimes I switch them around when I'm going to work. So all of them really is my work shoes except the heels, and then this used to be my driving shoes, but it mash up, so this needs binning. So yeah, I just need to, but now I can drive in different shoes now. But yeah, because I didn't really think I could drive in my Converse, but I can. Guys, it was so embarrassing taking everything out my car. Like, I pick up all my shoes like this, and it was really embarrassing. So I definitely need to make sure that I clear out my car before I bring it to wash. I just didn't want to like drive back home, take out my stuff, because after I come back from dropping the stuff off at my mum's, I end up going back out straight away, so I didn't get time to clear up my car. I didn't want to go home and then, you know, change it up and, you know, take stuff out and then come back on the road, because it's kind of cold. So I'm just inside here waiting now. The one thing I didn't like about my previous car wash place is the place inside the place where you have to wait used to be like quite cold, and I hate being cold. So in here, I'm waiting in here now, and it's not that cold, it's alright. So, you know, I don't like waiting in the cold, and that's why I haven't washed my car in such a long time. So it's alright waiting now. You know, it's a little bit warm, so I'm just waiting for it to finish, and then I'm gonna go back home. So this is like a boring day really. not really going anywhere. I went out last night with work and stuff and went for a few drinks and stuff, so today I'm chilling out. I'm not going anywhere because I feel like I'm getting a cold and I feel like I'm losing my voice, so and yeah, so I'm just gonna wait now, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. I just came in here to buy a soap dish because my mum said I need to buy one. I got this new face soap which I will show you, so I'm just looking for a soap dish to put it in. Guys, I'm gonna get this one because I think my mum have one I like it, and I need something to match the bathroom because my mum's funny like that. So I'm just looking, at least I'm not buying anything, I'm just looking because I need to save up my money. I've spent so much money, so just looking to see what they have. I do need like some wall painting or something to put on my wall in my room, but I'm very funny when it comes to stuff. Like, why would I have that in my room? You know, it needs to mean something to me. Like, that's nice, I enjoy the little things, but I don't like the colour. So I'm really picky. I visualise how certain stuff is gonna look, and everything in my, not everything, but certain things in my room need to mean something to me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go pay for this now and come out. Guys, my bedroom is green, but I feel like this would be so nice for it. It's so nice, but it's £30, which is cheap-ish, but I can't spend £29 now right now, but it is so nice. So I'm actually gonna go to the cashier now. I did say I was going to, and I decided to come and look at beddings, so I'm gonna go pay for it now. But that is really nice. You know, it's nice for what my room is. It's not the colour I'd literally go for, but you know, just one of those. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. I'll show you what the car looks like. I probably won't be able to investigate it now because it's kinda dark. But it's gone a little bit dark at stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna do a little investigation maybe tomorrow, but I'll show you how clean it is right now. They did it like so fast because at the other place where I used to go, when I was waiting for them to do the inside, it takes forever, which is good because it just shows that they're doing it properly and they're making sure everything nice. They shine up my rims and you know, all them stuff. So we'll see when I have a little look at this one tomorrow, but I'll show you what it looks like either way. This is really annoying me, guys. What is that? I don't know, it's really annoying me. But yes, I'll give you a little view of what it looks like now. It looks clean and the rims look nice as well. Looks shiny, but I'm gonna have to check it out properly tomorrow because they wash it really fast. You know what? really want to eat is because I feel sick. I'm getting a cold or
Tell
something.
yourself.
My throat kind of feel a bit sore. So annoying.
Yeah, Danny soon come.
I'm just warming up my soup now.
Mm-hmm.
Also, guys, I'm on a little diet.
Ring Danny, you can see.
Occasion.
Ring
I'm
Danny,
probably
you
not
can
going to
see.
tell
She
you
want to come meet.
about the occasion
want to come meet her.
today in this vlog.
When she come in her
Next
scheme.
vlog. I'm trying to
Ring
lose
her
some
first
weight.
one. Come out of the house.
I know I'm not fat,
Then
but
she tell you to come meet her. Yeah, Nick
I am
and
usually
Taylor. Lock the
very,
house and
very
carry the
skinny.
key.
And
Yeah?
I'm used to being skinny. I don't even know if you can hear me because I know it's
Yeah, tell you one talk to me.
but I'm usually very, very skinny, so I want to get back
Yeah?
to that. Like, my face just looks a bit fat. So, my soup is just
No.
warming up now.
Did she?
And then,
Tell her so she not to
I
say
think I'm
that.
going to watch
That
some
is
TV
naughty.
program. I'm going to watch If Loving You Is Wrong. And,
Don't say that, Kelly.
yeah.
Danny soon come here.
So, yeah, I'll show you my soup when it
Have your lunch
finishes.
already? What did you have?
This is my soup, guys. So got dumpling and stuff. I don't eat white dumplings, so I have to have cornmeal in it. White dumpling makes me feel sick. So I'm just gonna have my soup now and come back. Hello again, guys. I think I'm gonna end today's vlog for today. There was not much to do. It was just literally, I was just showing you guys what it's like here. It's a really boring day basically because I went out last night, so I'm not really in the mood to do much but to get stuff sorted, like wash my car. I've got my room to tidy up and I've got a few other stuff to do.